This land is rich in natural ores. Mr. Yu is an excellent geological researcher in the area. To better explore geological science, what he does every day is to observe and study the minerals here. At work, Mr. Yu has demanding requirements for both quality and efficiency. So JC5, the jaw crusher, is his best assistant, saving him time while ensuring optimum grinding. Mr. Andrew is getting ready to start the day-long soil testing. Now Mr. Andrew has turned on the grinding machine. He enjoys this very much. And the BM40, which is full of the sense of science and technology, has already become his most trusted partner in his work. Ms. Jing is extracting a new refractory material. She is conducting a series of operations skillfully. As usual, she pressed a button and, once again, efficiently finished the processing of all samples. Land, food, peel, clothing. POWTEQ is closely related to every area of our lives. It's always trying to make the world safer and better. POWTEQ is supported by international supply chain. Every part is sophisticated and traceable. Ensures that each product is absolutely stable and reliable. On a strict scale, 0.01 is also a number which cannot be ignored. Professional R&D lays a solid foundation for POWTEQ. What the workshop engineers do every day is to control every detail and improve the reliability. The birth of an excellent product is inseparable from the care of every detail. POWTEQ's strict control of product quality is very responsible for users. You can look at these instruments. They do their job and strive to present the best results. To pursue more excellent and perfect product experience and service quality before they are delivered to other parts of the world, every instrument is carefully checked by POWTEQ. More than 20 working procedures must be strictly controlled. To practice the idea, what you see is what you get, the demonstration lab was established by international partners. Sincere and warm service provide more suitable solutions for customers. POWTEQ's engineers are greatly trusted by the customers. Users can always be helped by them the first time. Engineers will debug products for customers and quickly help customers solve the problem. The cohesion of a team determines the development of an enterprise. These young people with dreams and pursuits, under the cohesion of enterprise spirit and national concept, they are working together to achieve the same goal. Here, employees have strong sense of belonging. The sense of family makes an enterprise stronger. This is the power given by POWTEQ to the society and to the future. POWTEQ has already planned what the future would look like. In the future of automation, POWTEQ is bound to become an integral part of global instrument automation. It has customers in more than 50 countries around the world. But POWTEQ is still making great efforts to continue to overcome difficulties and forge ahead.
民族品牌中国制造，让世界感受中国仪器的力量。
POWTEQ makes sample preparation easier and more efficient.